Hennessey, the Texas-based hypercar manufacturer and high-performance vehicle creator, reintroduces its updated Venom 775, a Ford F-150-based pickup fitted with a supercharged V8 that offers more horsepower and torque than the factory Ram TRX and Ford Raptor are. In stock form, the Ford F-150 optioned with the 5.0-liter Ti-VCT V8 is rated at 400 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque. Hennessey's expert technicians, who have been making fast cars faster for more than 30 years, bolt on a 3.0-liter supercharger to increase intake pressure and add an air-to-water intercooler to lower the charge temperature. The fuel injectors and fuel system are upgraded, and a high-flow air induction system is installed. A stainless steel catback exhaust is mounted to reduce back pressure and improve the exhaust note. The mechanical upgrades are complemented with Hennessey's engine management calibration to deliver a new output of 775 brake horsepower and 727 lb-ft of torque, a remarkable 94% increase in power and a 77% increase in torque. Performance is stunning, as the 0 to 60 sprint takes a mere 3.6 seconds, with the quarter mile falling in just 11.9 seconds. Improving the chassis, Hennessey adds a 6-inch lift with 20-inch Hennessey 10-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in 35-inch off-road tires to enhance off-road capabilities. The suspension is upgraded, and multi-piston Brembo brakes with red calipers shorten stopping distances and add visual impact. A Hennessey Venom front bumper, with LED illumination, is matched to the Hennessey Venom bumper on the rear. Power-operated amp running boards ease ingress and egress. Uniquely, the front badge and fender vents are illuminated for distinctiveness, and the interior is enhanced with embroidered Hennessey head restraints and unique Venom 775 badging. Production of the Venom 775 is limited to just 250 units, with all upgrades backed by Hennessey's 3-year/36,000-mile warranty. Seamless integration with the factory powertrain management ensures that all F-150 driving modes, normal, slippery, deep snow/sand, mud/ruts, rock crawl, tow haul, eco mode, and sport mode, are retained. The new truck is available for global shipping and may be ordered through authorized Hennessey Performance Ford dealers or Hennessey directly.